Yes, good morning. Yes. Yes, unmute all of yourself. Good morning to one and all. So shall we start now? Shall we start now? Unmute yourself. On your
Yes, yes, sir.
okay, we will start because let them others join later on. Okay. So now we are 8 people. You come with me 9. Start. Okay. So today topic is what? HTML formatting tags. Today topic is what? Is HTML formatting tags. Just I'll show that slide. So this is today topic. HTML formatting tags. The definition of this is HTML formatting tags used for formatting the a text style. It will become necessary to make minor changes to the formatting of those elements. That means we need to be formatting. We need to, what we have to do? We need to be format a text. To make some changes in a given text, we have to use some formatting tags are there. HTML supports some formatting tags. What are the formatting tags? We will see first. Formatting, HTML formatting tags. These tags are like this. See, name of a tag, example, then description or result. So these are the basic HTML formatting tags. B for bold. Suppose in a text, if you want to make somewhere else a bold, you can use this tag. Opening the tag, closing the tag. Within between, you write any text. Within this, you write any text. You can, the text becomes a bold. It appears on your page or web page or any kind of document. If you use this tag, you will get result like this. This is for bolding the text. Next one, big. Next tag, what is there? Big is there. Big. So the big is a example of this. Opening the big, then between this you write some any text. The text appears bigger than current font size. Suppose current font size is 10 is there. Current font size is 10 is there. It appears 12. Your result appears 12. That is example of a big text. Next, center. Center is a one tag. So whatever in the paragraph you written some information, that information or else that text you want to keep in the center of the page. Then you use this center tag. By using the center tag, your message or else your text appears on the output screen in a center place. Next one, EM is there. EM, emphasized text. EM is what? Emphasized text. This is a one type of tag. This tag makes your message as a emphasized text. For example, you can say like a font size. It will be changes. Similarly, italic. I for what? Italic. So italic, whenever you specify this italic tag, that displays your text font as a in a italic format. Your font as a italic format. Next, small is there. Small. A small, open the tag, close the tag. Between this, if you write anything, that will come. Suppose your current font size is 10. When you execute this code, then you will get your font size as 8. Current font size is 10. Then you will get the output as a font size is 8. So in that way, this will be helpful. Next, strong is there. This strong, whenever you want to specify in the paragraph a particular information is a strong, very important. So for that you can use this text. You can use this tag between the text. Open the tag, write some text, important information here. Then you make it that is, you can highlight with some colors. That is a strong message for you people. For that case, you can use this strong tag. Next, subscription is there. Sub stands for subscription. Suppose you want to make a text as subscription, X1 down. You want to write X1 down. I'll show you later on all these things. Then your text becomes a subscription. Then superscription. These two are there. SUB for subscription text, SUP for superscript of text. Subscript and superscript. You can make your text. If you want to make your text as a subscript or superscript, you can use this tag. Next, del is there. Del for delete the text. If you want delete any text, so you can delete particular text you want to delete. Between that text, you use this del tag, that message will be, or else that text will be deleted. Next, yes is there. Yes for strike. Strike the text. Say for example like this. You want to put one line over the text. That time you can use for yes. Yes for strike the text. Next, strike. This also use strike text. You can use a simple form yes or else you can write full form of a strike. Both are, it shows an example of a strike text. Then U for underline the text. You is open the tag, close the tag. Between that you write any information. That information comes under underline. That information becomes underline. Under the information you will get one line underline. So similarly like this. Next, TT, teletype text. Teletype text. This is one type of text format. Like a Arial is there, block is there, then Times New Roman is there, console is there. So many types are there text. So that is one type of text, teletype text format. Like a similarly italic, like a emphasized text. Similarly, that TT for teletype text. Next, block quote. This block quote is used for, you need to block the quote. Block quote is used for what? Long quotation. Block quote. Then between this paragraph is there. Within the paragraph, you have to mention this. Short quote. There are two things are there. Block quote is there. Then short under the Q used for B for block quote. Then next Q, between this you mention it what? Short quote. Block quote means you have to mention this full name of this, open brace, close brace. Then short quote means you can use this like this. Q for short quote. So now let us see, these are the example, how it looks like. In an example we will see. I'll show you all these things once. You look at this one once. See, this is a bold text example. Anything that appears within a bold, opening the bold tag, closing the bold tag, within this you write any element. That means text. Element in the sense text. So it is displayed in a bold as shown below. Example. So this is what? Doc type. Doc type, HTML. Next we are mentioning our heading tag, title tag, then opening the writing some text here, bold text, example, title. Then close the title, close the head, then body. So after the body, we are specifying the paragraph. In the paragraph, the following word uses a jar. B for bold, within close the bold. Within this, whatever text is there, within this, whatever text is there. Jan here, what is there? Jan text is there. So this Jan text appears in the output as a bold. That is, open the paragraph, close the paragraph, then close the body tag, close the main tag, HTML tag. So this is a simple example of bolding the text. Once again, I'll repeat all these tags. Formatting tags, HTML formatting tags, bold, big, center, emphasized text, italic, small, strong, subscript text, superscript text, delete text, strike text, underline text, then teletype text, block code. So these are the basic HTML formatting tags. Now we'll see the real example, how it works. I'll share the screen. Once again, I'll explain all the things. For example, this is what? B. opening brace. You write here any text in this. For example, I write some name, John. Then close, bold tag. So this bold tag should be there within the paragraph. P, open the paragraph, then close the paragraph tag. P for paragraph tag. So the top of this common tags are there. Doc type, HTML, header, then here is body tag. Body tag, then close the body tag. Close the body tag. Then close the HTML. Here is what? Open HTML, open header tag. HTML, I'll write simply HTML is open. Yes, this screen is visible to all of you. Eva Kamble, Aishwarya Bisane. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Screen is
Yes,
visible.
sir.
Yeah. So this is what?
Yes, sir.
Starting tag. Then main tag HTML. This is body tag. Under the body, P for paragraph is there. Under the paragraph, next what is there? Here, bold tag is there. Under a bold tag, this is there. This is actual output we are getting. So here this is what general tag is there. When you execute this one, it appears, output appears like this. Your output appears like this. Your output appears like this. Bold. This is your final output. When you execute this, you will get your output is like this. Here is what? It is not a bold. Here you will get the bold. Your text is a bold. Let us execute this program. So if we want to execute this program, what is the procedure? Arfin size, unmute yourself. I want to execute this program now. What is the procedure? How can I execute?
सर नोटपैड पे पहले लिखना पड़ेगा, फिर उसको
Yes.
सेव करना पड़ेगा, फिर एग्जीक्यूट होगा.
Yes, very good. Now we'll see the same thing. Now we'll do that one. How it is executing this program. I'll share you people this one. How to execute that one. I'll share this one. One simple program, any program. Not only that. Okay. So now I will mention here. I will write the program. Yes. Is it appear? This screen is appear for you people? Yes. This screen is appear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, strike text. Strike text is there. So in this, I will modify this one. I'll keep this one later. One next page. I'll copy and paste here itself. Okay. I'll share this one. Don't worry. How it appears. Bold. Paste. No, I don't want this one. How the bold text appears. This is the P for what? Paragraph. Welcome you people. welcome you people. Welcome you people. This text I'm adding bold tag. Carefully listen. B. Always use the small letter for tags. Bold. You write in some information in that. Welcome you people. For then close this tag with bold. Bold tag is closed. You can bold tag, you can specify some information. Welcome you people for party. So this is a text I have written. Where P specify some text, then this is the bold tag. Within the bold tag I specified some text. So but this text is not in a bold format. Remember always, this text is not in a bold format. Now when we execute this one, you will get your text become a bold. Now I'll save this file. Say go to, is it appears all of you? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. First go to the file, save as, select desktop. After selecting the desktop, this is appears, this PC desktop. Then you write save file name, bold text, small letters. File name always small letters with extension of .html. bold bold text, bold text .html. Yes, got it all of you? Just when you save this one, because this is operating system is a Windows 10, automatically this appears on the desktop in a web format, web browser. That appears in the web browser. Now I have saved this one, bold text.html. I saved this file on desktop. It is saved. Now minimize it and I'll open that one. I have opened. Then I will share you people how it appears. Okay. Now 1 minute. I'll share this one screen. Just 1 minute. I'll get it that one. Yes, this screen is visible to you people. Hello. Is it visible to you people?
Sir, output.
Output is screen is visible to you?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. Okay, I'll share this one. Okay, don't worry. I will share this one. Now look at this. Is it visible to you people? The screen is visible. Yes, all of you.
Yes, sir.
See what is our output? This one we have seen bold text. Welcome. Welcome you people for party at Ramtech today. Yes, this is our paragraph. Within that we have bolded this one. Yes or no? Within the bold tag we have specified this text for party. Yes. Just you read this whole sentence. Welcome you people for party at Ramtech today. So this welcome you people at party, it is not in a bold letter. Only for party is a bold letter. Why it is for? Only these two words are bold appears. Anybody answer? In the output screen, only these words are appearing bold. Why not others? Anybody?
Because they are using bold text.
Yes, you are correct. So we used only bold text, bold tag, only for party words, not for other. If we keep whole sentence within the body bold tag, it will appear all those things. Let us see that also how it looks like. Now, are you clear about these people? How to make the bold text? Are you clear? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Oh, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Who is it? Somebody is telling no. What is your doubt? Tell me. Somebody is telling no. What is your doubt? Ask me. Unmute yourself. Yes, it's very simple. Whatever we have seen, I'll share it again. I'll share you people. Okay. So this, once again, I'm sharing this one. HTML, body, paragraph, bold. So within the bold tag, you look at this here. Within the bold tag, carefully look at it. Within the bold tag, whatever data you specify, whatever text I specify, text is what? John. So only this text you will get bold. Before this bold tag, after the bold tag, if you specify any text within the paragraph tag, you cannot get bold. So that is why I have shown here is output. Your output is looks like this. Only John is highlighted and it is a bold. Yes, are you clear now? Yes, all of you clear?
Yes, sir.
Anybody doubt? Anybody is having any doubt? Anybody doubt? Only you need to remember within the tags, bold tag, you have to specify the text. When you execute that program, that text appears as a bold. The rest of the text normal only. Are you clear? Anybody? Any doubt? Nishant? Unmute yourself. Nishant, Kamesh, Ayush,
No, sir.
Karthik, Mayuri, Darode. Any doubts are there? Any?
No, sir.
Yes, answer yourself here whether you are listening or not simply connected. How can I know? If you respond, then I can go for next program. Suppose you are not understanding, then what is use of my teaching? You have to be understand my responsibility, my duty is I have to make you to understand and write a program on your own, and you have to pass in the examination. After the completion of your course, you become a web designer. You can design your own web page based on these languages: HTML, CSS, HTML, CSS, PHP, and JSP is there. JSP. Okay. So all these languages you have to learn. Then you become a good web designer. So every suppose you are having a excellent skills in web designing, definitely you get the better job in a better company. So that's why I'm teaching very slowly. Everybody should understand. Everybody should get idea how to write HTML program. Now we are in the initial stage, basics of HTML. Next we have to move to CSS. We have to move to PHP. We have to move to JSP. So all these things we have to learn one by one later on. Yes. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Are you
sir.
clear? So this is about the bold tag. Now I will show you rest of other tags, how we can execute the program. Rest of all other tags. Okay. How other tags works. Now we'll see the other tags programs. One more program I will explain to you. What is this one? Is a what? One more important one I will explain to you people. So here I have not mentioned here one mono tag is there. Mono tag. That mono tag, what is use of mono tag? I will tell you that one. I will explain that one. Mono tag. Mono space font. Yes, is it appear this? All of you? Mono font. Yes, mono space font. This mono space font, the content of TT. Okay, teletype text. Teletype text. Element is written in a mono space font. Most of the fonts are known as a variable width fonts because different letters are different widths. For example, the letter M is wider than the letter I. In a monospace font, however, each letter has the same width. So the use of this mono font, whenever you specify within this TT teletype text, if you use this monospace, within this, if you use monospace, that indicates all letters having the same width. For example, I will show you. Monospace font. Carefully observe important this one. Mono space font. For example, you see this is M. M is having width is little bit this much. What of I? I is having width is only this much. This is I. So which one is having a width is big? M and I. Anybody answer? Unmute yourself. Which is having the width more? M is having width more or I is having more width? Anybody answer? Aishwarya Bisane, unmute yourself.
M.
Which letter is having more width between these? M or I?
M.
By looking itself, we can identify yes, M is having, for example, you think this is a this 10. For example, this is width is, think about it, maybe 4. For example, yes or no? Width. M is having width is 10 and I is having width is, its width is 4. When you use this mono font between these two tag TT, opening, then closing, TT, teletype text. TT for what? Teletype text. So when you use this tag, all these letters M, I are all, it comes same width, whatever width is specified in the font while you are typing your program. Suppose you specify your program while you are typing your text size is specified 15. Specified text size is 15 while you are typing your program. So all the letters having the common size width 15 only. Getting my point? All letters will become 15 only width. While you are typing your program, your font size is 15. Then when you use this text monospace font between these teletype tags, all letters having the same size. There is no 10, there is no 4. All are 15. Understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Not understood? Okay, once again I'll explain to you. This teletype text is used to specify all the letters are same width, no change. Here is what? M is 10 is there, I is 4 is there. If you use this teletext,
हेलो
yes,
सर मोनोस्पेस एक बार बताइए फिर से.
yes, I am repeating. Okay. Suppose while you are typing your program, your font size is 10. While you are typing your program, your font size is 10. So 10 means that times M may get this like this, I may get like this, I may get like this. If you look this one, here is more space is there. Font size is 10 only. Here is more, width is more. This 10. Here also what is there? Height is same, width is less. You think this is 5. Okay. While you are typing this program on your notepad, while you are typing your program on notepad, width is M is having 10, I is having 5. When you use this tag for the same text, it appears all should have 10 size only, no change at all. Here is M is 10, I also 10. Same size will come. In sizes, there is no change. Understand? Yes, have got it this? Yes, any doubt? Eva Kamle? Any doubt? Yes.
No, sir.
You try this one. Okay, you try at your level.
सर एक बार प्रैक्टिकल में करके दिखाओ ने.
Yes, we have very less time, 3 minutes only.